Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by inspecting the hood. Note chip diameter and whether metal is exposed. Once done, clean the area with soap, water, then 70% isopropyl to remove wax and oils so paint will adhere. Make sure to mask panels and trim. You want only the chip exposed. Prepare materials: primer, base coat, clear coat, fine sandpaper 800-2000, and a steady applicator like a toothpick or fine brush, because quick, correct prep avoids liftoff later. You now focus on filling and color building. First, apply primer or rust inhibitor to any exposed metal. This prevents corrosion and gives profile for paint. Once tacky, add base coat in very thin layers. This controls color depth and prevents runs. Make sure to match the OEM code and check in natural light. After a few passes, wet sand gently between layers with 1000-1500 grit to feather edges. This smooths transitions, so the final clear sits evenly and hides the repair. You finish by sealing and blending. Spray 2-3 thin clear coat layers, allowing full flash time between each, because controlled builds prevent sagging and promote shine. Once cured, wet sand with 1500-2000 grit to remove texture, then polish through compound to finishing polish for gloss. If you see orange peel, runs, or dull spots, don't panic. Let the film cure fully, sand back to smooth, then reapply a thin clear layer. This troubleshooting step fixes surface defects without redoing the whole job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.